I mean, I always knew that I wanted to be a lawyer ever since I was little. My dad and I used to watch like Law and Order and all of these shows together. And ever since I was probably like 5, I knew that I wanted to be a lawyer. I liked that it was going to be a challenging career in a fast-paced environment where I would constantly be learning. But I also really cared about working in a career where I could help people. With whatever career that I had, I wanted to help people in some capacity, and you can certainly do that in law. There was a short period where I kind of veered from that because, to be honest, I didn't know if I had what it took for a while. I talked to the chair of the department at the time, Robert Lane, and I had a genuine conversation about what I wanted to do with my life and what kind of career that I wanted. I started thinking long term about what actually interested me, about why I wanted to do law, and then from that day forward, I changed my major, and I had my heart set back on law school again. I ultimately majored in psychology, but I majored in psychology because to go to law school, you can pick any major that you want. And so I made a little home for myself within the department and developed really close relationships with almost all of the professors in that department. And there I feel as though I really flourished. I felt challenged, I felt supported, I felt seen, I felt as though my professors truly, really believed in me. All of these professors that I built relationships with, I truly felt as though I could accomplish anything that I wanted to. It's funny how certain choices in your life, end up being as impactful as they are, and I consider SVSU to be one of those choices because looking back, it was absolutely one of the best decisions that I have ever made in my life. Without SVSU, I really don't think that I would be where I'm at today. The amount of support that I've had that's come from that university, all of that together, honestly, one of the highlights of my life thus far.